stage. So we have the light reaction stage, and then we have the dark reaction stage. Now, let's take a look at what light reaction stage is all about. Now, there are several steps you should take note of in the light reaction stage, and I'm going to list out some of these steps. Now, number one, the first step is that in the light reaction stage, okay, first of all, note this, as the name implies, light reaction stage, it simply means it occurs during the day, or it occurs in the presence of sunlight. So light reaction stage begins with the use of sunlight. Now, the energy that comes from the sunlight, that's the first stage, the energy that comes from the sunlight is being trapped by this chlorophyll. Remember, we said that green plants possess chlorophyll, or they have chlorophyll. So this energy is being collected or trapped by chlorophyll. And that energy that is trapped by chlorophyll is used to split water. Water is splitted into hydroxyl ion and hydrogen ion. I repeat, the energy from the sun is trapped by chlorophyll, and that energy is used to split water into hydroxide ion or hydroxyl ion and hydrogen ion. Now, this process is called photolysis of water. Remember, photo talks about light, lysis or lysis, L-Y-S-I-S, talks about splitting of water. So photolysis of water is simply the process by which water is splitted by light. Okay, so that's the first thing that happens, photolysis. Now, after the light is being splitted into hydrogen ion and hydroxyl ion, the hydroxide ion undergoes further reaction. That's the second stage. It undergoes further reaction to give off water and oxygen gas. So the oxygen gas that is usually given off during the process of photosynthesis comes from the further reaction of the hydroxide ion. Do you get that? Now, the third stage is that hydrogen ion then reacts, listen, with a coenzyme, and the coenzyme is NADP, which is nicotine amide dinucleotide phosphate. So it reacts with NADP to form, and it reduces it from NADP to NADPH plus. All right, NADPH plus. So the coenzyme is reduced by the reaction of the hydrogen ion with the coenzyme. Now, once this thing is done, energy is being released. Energy is produced. That energy that is produced is in the form of ATP. So these are the stages that takes place during the light reaction.